Hi friends, this is Preeti. Today I am going to discuss about polymerase chain reaction. Definition: polymerase chain reaction is an amplification technique for cloning targeted genes of a DNA sequence to generate multiple copies of gene of interest. So the components used in the polymerase chain reaction are: the first one, target DNA. It contains the sequence of DNA which is to be amplified. It is nothing but which is to be multiplied. And the pair of primers. Primers are nothing but oligonucleotides of 20 nucleotide length single stranded DNA which bind to the target sequence on the DNA strand. Next one is deoxynucleotide triphosphates. They are nothing but nucleotides which are required for DNA building. Then thermostable DNA polymerase, which is nothing but a Taq polymerase. This adds new nucleotides to the short sequence of the primer which is attached to the target DNA strand. Then Mg plus ions, magnesium ions, which acts as a cofactor for the enzyme Taq polymerase. And the buffer solution, it maintains the pH and ionic strength of the reaction solution suitable for the activity of the enzyme. We know that buffer resists the change in pH, so it is used to maintain the pH and ionic strength of the reaction solution. So here we'll go process. It consists of 3 steps: denaturation, annealing and extinction. First step is denaturation. So in this step we are separating the template DNA. It is nothing but starting DNA. We are separating the both strands. So the temperature required for this process is 96 degrees Celsius. So here we are converting the double stranded DNA into the single stranded DNA. It means we are separating the both strands. And next one is annealing. So this process requires a 55 degrees Celsius temperature. In this process we are adding the primers so that these primers will go and attach to these target DNAs. And the next process is extinction. So extinction, in this process the temperature we require is 72 degrees Celsius, and in this step we'll add DNA polymerase. So the function of this is it will add the new nucleotides. So this is the DNA polymerase and these are the new nucleotides. So this will add the new nucleotides along this template DNA. It means if this is the blue color strand is nothing but the template DNA and this pink one is the primer. And now if here there is adenine, then this DNA polymerase will add thymine. Adenine bonds with thymine and guanine bonds with cytosine. So if there is a guanine, then DNA polymerase added cytosine. So like this it go on adding these new nucleotides along the DNA, template DNA. So which results in the formation of the new strands. This is the whole process: denaturation, annealing and extinction. So first step, template DNA, we are converting them into 2 single strand DNAs through denaturation. And next step we are adding the primers, which is nothing but annealing. And the next step we are adding DNA polymerases, which adds new nucleotides, and this is extinction. And then new DNA strands are formed. So applications, there are so many applications, but I am mentioning only some of them. It is used in the diagnosis of infectious diseases, and it is used in the diagnosis of genetic disorders and DNA fingerprinting and detection of mutations. Thank you.